Hello, my name is David Reed, and in this short video we're going to explore a little bit more about Widgit Online. Now that we've logged in, you can see that we're at the home page of Widgit Online, and I'm just going to explore some of the key features that are available here. So in the first instance, you can see across the top line we have 5 headers, the first being create. So within create, you can actually create a blank document, which will give you a completely blank document to work with, and you can build it yourself from scratch. But what's really useful is that they create hundreds and hundreds of templates that you can use. So we're going to click into use a template, and you can see down the left hand side there's quite a few categories: display materials, certificates, communication, literacy support, etc. Quite a few that you can choose from. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're just going to choose a communication board, and you'll see that it pops you into the interface, which you can see that it's created this template, this communication board template for you. Now, when the first time you've used Widgit Online, it might look that you have to choose symbol and text, which can be quite difficult, because if you're thinking about a teacher, it's quite difficult to think of a relative images or a related image to that person. But what Widgit Online actually does, so in this Who section, if I type in the word teacher to text, it will produce the symbol already for you, but also on the right hand side, it'll let you choose between which symbol you want. If we go down and maybe pop in janitor, it will do the same. So it'll generate the first image, it'll pop that into your grid for you, but if you want to change it equally, you can. Now, this happens for every single square on this image. It will generate the symbol for you related to the text that you put in. So that's really useful, and a really good place to start if you're trying to make communication boards, maybe for an individual pupil. If we just pop back to the main menu, that was our create, and that was creating using a template. Documents are also available. So your documents are available down the left hand side, but equally you can click in and access documents in a slightly different way. But you can also access resources which we can add to your documents. So if you save something, for example, you created that communication board template, it will save into your documents just like it would in Microsoft Office or Google Workspace. But what's really cool about Widgit Online is there's actually lots and lots of already pre-made resources. So for example, a dementia pack, a phonics pack, an early years pack, a classroom pack. So say for example, you're browsing through the resources and you think, oh, that classroom pack would be perfect for me. To add this to your documents, all you have to do is click install resource pack here. So once you click install resource pack, you can choose where it goes. I want it just to go in my documents, and you can see straight away it's been added. So if we go back to our home page, you can see that the classroom pack is actually being installed as we speak. So it's not quite there yet, but once this blue arrow finishes installing the classroom pack, it will be made available. Here's one I downloaded just a little bit earlier than this video, the phonics pack, and you can see it's split into phases, so there's subsections within each of those folders. Really useful if you don't want to start creating resources from scratch yourself. A lot of this is already being done for you, and a lot of this is already available. The last two sections, the view section, you can actually see your documents. So all your documents appear here, just as a blown up version of the left hand side menu on your home page. You can also look at shared documents. So as staff and schools use this in East Lothian more and more, they can be shared centrally to stop schools having to create the same thing. And also for all other East Lothian users, they can create shareable documents that are available to see. So other maybe nursery partners or provisions can make their documents available for everyone else to see as well. The last section, just to kind of browse over, is your help center. So the really nice thing about Widgit is they've got lots and lots of support documentation, as well as these videos that we're creating to support maybe say creating a document. It's filled with lots of little GIFs that show you exactly how to do this, and text and image that kind of explain how to do things as you go along. So lots of information there. kind of specific to what you want to do, so it's nicely laid out. So that was a little whistle-stop tour to Widgit Online and the home page that you might be accustomed to once you've logged in. I hope that was useful, and thank you very much.